Greetings students. Today we are going to discuss the second part of logic circuits tier 2 unit B. This is for class 7. The subject is computers. I am Sivasis Sandilya and I welcome you to today's class. So till now we were discussing what were logic gates, and then in the second unit we were discussing what were logic circuits. So today we are going to conclude this unit, and with that our tier 2 syllabus will be completed. So please pay attention and let us discuss some examples of logic circuits. So here is an example. The function is not AB plus B not C plus CA. Always remember, when there is no expression, no operator between two letters, that means CA, there is a multiplication sign. That means it will be a AND gate. And wherever there is a plus sign, there will be a OR gate. So the Boolean expression can be written as follows. The function will be equal to not A and B, or B and not C, or C and A. So now when we are going to convert this into a logic circuit, we will always write the input A, put a NOT gate, and then we will get the output NOT A. In same thing for NOT C. The input will be C, there will be a NOT gate and the output will be C bar. Those two things will be fed into AND gates, because they are multiplied with, NOT A is multiplied with B and NOT C is multiplied with B. So the output will be A bar B, B C bar, and at the lowermost part there is a AND gate. The inputs are C and A and the output will be C A. Now we have to add all these three parts. So there will be a OR gate which will add all the three parts, and the function will be A bar B plus B C bar plus C A. So this is how you are going to draw a logic circuit when the Boolean expression is given or when the function is given. Again, here is another example. Here the expression is F equal to AB plus BC bar plus A bar C bar. So now AB will be written as A and B, BC bar will be written as B and not C. Again, A bar C bar will be written as not A and not C. Now all these three are added together so there will be OR gates between them. Now look at the diagram. When we are going to convert this function into a logic circuit, how will we create the logic circuit? The first part, A, B. So inputs are A and B. The gate will be a AND gate and the output will be AB. Look at the middle part. The inputs are B and C. Then a NOT gate is connected to C and the output is C bar. Now B and C bar are fed into a AND gate and the output will be B C bar. In the same way, A and C are the inputs of two NOT gates and the outputs will be A bar and C bar. Those A bar and C bar will be fed as input to another AND gate and the output will be A bar C bar. Now these three outputs, that is AB, BC bar and A bar C bar, will be fed into a OR gate and the final output will be F equal to AB plus BC bar plus A bar C bar. Now, in this diagram, we have to complete the missing inputs and outputs in the logic circuit. Just pause the video, draw the circuit by yourself and try to fill in whatever is missing out. Now, let us move on to the answers. So these are the answers. Please pause the video and note down the correct answers. If you have any doubt, please contact me. I'll help you. Now another example. Example 4. The function is a plus b multiplied by b bar plus c bar multiplied by a bar plus c. So the plus will be converted to OR gates and the multiplication is AND gate. Then the function can be written in the Boolean expression form as a plus b will be written as a or b. B bar plus c bar will be written as not b plus not c. A bar plus c will be written as not a or c. And all these three parts will be added together by a AND gate because there are multiplication signs between them. So look at the diagram. The circuit diagram will be as follows. There will be three OR gates. In the first OR gate, the input will be A and B, so the output will be A plus B. In the second OR gate, the inputs B and C will be connected to two NOT gates and the respective outputs B bar and C bar will be fed into the second OR gate and the output will be B bar plus C bar. In the third part, in the third OR gate, the output C will be fed directly to the OR gate, but the input C will be fed directly to the OR gate, but the input A will be first fed into a NOT gate and the output A bar will be fed into the OR gate and final output will be A bar plus C. Now we have got three outputs from three OR gates. They were A plus B, B bar plus C bar, A bar plus C. Now all these three outputs will be fed as input to a AND gate so that it will multiply all the three and give us the final output as A plus B multiplied by B bar plus C bar multiplied by A bar plus C. Now some question and answers. You have to draw the logic circuit diagram for the given function. The function is x y bar plus y bar z plus zx bar. Pause the video, note down the function and try to draw the logic circuit by yourself. Now let's move on to the answer. So this is the answer. X y bar, y bar z and zx bar will be added together like this. Pause the video, note down the correct answer if you have any doubt or if you have done anything wrong. If you have already done everything correctly, then very good. And if you still have doubts, please contact me. So here is another one. Draw the logic circuit diagram of the given function f equal to x bar plus y bar multiplied by y plus z bar multiplied by z plus x. Pause the video, note down the function, try to draw the diagram yourself. Now let us move on to the answer. So this is the answer. If you have done everything correctly, very good. If you have done anything wrong, please pause the video and note down the answer. And if even after doing that, if you have any doubts, then please contact me. I will help you out. So this completes the syllabus for tier 2. I hope everyone understood everything and stay ready for the exam. The exam date may be announced recently, so revise properly and get ready for the exam. Okay, this brings us to the end of today's class. If you have any doubt, you know my phone number, you know my WhatsApp number, contact me. I'll help you out. In our next class, we will be doing some classwork and some homework. And please note, revise carefully several times. The syllabus is over. Now it is up to you how you complete the syllabus, how you get ready for the exam. So please start revising from today onwards. Don't keep your revision pending till the exam date is announced. Start revising right away. With this note, I am Subhasis Sandilya signing out. Thank you everyone for watching the video.